Punjab, rich in cultural heritage and history, has once again stood tall as a beacon of democracy by witnessing a vibrant and democratic celebration during the Lok Sabha elections of 2024. The journey to a successful election begins months before the polling day. Preparations were meticulous, with the Office of Chief Electoral Officer, Punjab, ensuring that every minute detail was addressed. From training of election officials, logistics, and elections management to deploying security forces and confidence-building exercise for voters. Every step was carefully planned to ensure a smooth and seamless electoral process. Review meeting by the senior officials of Honorable Election Commission marked the beginning of election in the state of Punjab and gave further impetus to the election machinery. Preparedness of elections started with the special summary revision to improve the health of the electoral roll. Special emphasis was laid on first-time voters, besides reaching out to marginalized communities.
मैं डेफ हैगा, मैं सुन बोल नहीं सकता। आज इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ तो मैनू वोटर कार्ड मेरा मिल गया है, मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हाँ।
Special camps were organized in schools and colleges to register youth, and 5.35 lakh young voters were enrolled. Each election is different, and extreme heat wave posed a challenge in conducting Lok Sabha elections of 2024 in Punjab. However, special heat mitigation efforts were implemented across the state to ensure a comfortable voting experience. Polling booths were equipped with shades, fans, and even coolers at some places, providing much-needed relief to voters waiting in queues to cast their votes. As part of Punjabi culture, chhabils were set up at the polling stations to offer refreshing sweetened water to help voters stay hydrated and cool. In a unique initiative, saplings were distributed to voters, symbolizing growth and a green future.
ग्रीन बूथ खेतीबाड़ी दफ्तर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਖੇਤੀਬਾੜੀ ਵਿਭਾਗ ਹਾਰਟੀਕਲਚਰ ਵਿਭਾਗ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਪੌਦੇ ਵੰਡੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਗਲੇ ਸਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਟੈਂਪਰੇਚਰ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਥੱਲੇ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਹੋਈਏ।
Keeping a tab on Model Code of Conduct violations is critical post the announcement of elections or enforcement of Model Code of Conduct. A total of 351 flying squad vehicles, that is 3 per AC, were engaged to keep vigil on the Model Code of Conduct violation. In addition, control room was set up at the headquarters to monitor on real-time basis through webcasting facility. Technology opens up new frontiers and offers new possibilities for the electoral process. 100% webcasting was conducted with CCTV cameras streaming live action in every polling booth on election day. A unique initiative by the Office of CEO Punjab Poll Activity Management System, that is PAMS, was developed with an objective to monitor poll activities on a real-time basis. A highly robust mechanism, PAMS helped in monitoring of activities such as dispatch and arrival of poll parties, mock poll, voters in queue at 6 p.m, dispersal of parties and material deposited from all polling stations through sector magistrate by using mobile app. In addition, the Office of CEO Punjab developed the next-gen DICE with an objective to make the entire electoral process more efficient, transparent and secure. It provides a mechanism for managing all aspects of elections, from collection of data of polling staff, scheduling rehearsals, randomization of polling staff and counting staff. To enhance voting experience, Voter Queue Information System was developed. Voters could check the length of queues at their respective polling booths from the comfort of their homes the election day. All they had to do was send a message by typing VOTE to the number 7447447217 to get the information about queue on the real-time basis. Voter participation is the heartbeat of democracy. Under the Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation, that is SWEEP, extensive awareness campaigns were launched across Punjab. From urban centers to rural villages, the message was clear: every vote counts. Going beyond traditional awareness measures, innovative strategies, including person-to-person contact at grassroots levels, especially at the low voter turnout area, and high-impact activities were held. From sweep activities during IPL matches, voters' awareness during beating the retreat ceremonies, and organizing marathons, cyclothons, many large-scale activities were held to create visibility. Several out-of-the-box initiatives were taken, especially targeting the youth. Some of the initiatives include flash mobs at malls, graffitis at flyovers and underpasses, 3D paintings, Snapchat lenses, VR-based virtual walkthrough of a model polling booth, advertising on Android mobile phones using lock screen, animated series based on comic strip on Chacha Chaudhary introduced by the Election Commission of India, EELC Patrika. Social media is crucial for disseminating information and engaging with voters. The Office of CEO Punjab effectively utilized social media for effectively creating voter awareness. Some of the highlights on social media included live streaming on regular basis and election insights, a highly informative and engaging podcast series.
काफ़ी सारे मॉडल पोलिंग स्टेशंस है वो मॉडल पोलिंग स्टेशंस भी वक्रे वक्रे टाइप दे होंदे है.
Elections are the festival of democracy, more so in the culturally vibrant state like Punjab.
ਲੋਕਤੰਤਰ ਦੀ ਨੀ ਹੈ ਲੋਕੋ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੀਮਤੀ ਵੋਟ ਵੋਟ ਪਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਆਪਾਂ ਲੈ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਦੀ ਓਟ ਵੋਟ ਪਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਆਪਾਂ ਲੈ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਦੀ ਓਟ ਵੋਟ ਜੇ ਪਾਈ ਨਾ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਲੋਕ.
From model polling booths to all women managed booths to unique booths reflecting rich cultural heritage, every possible step was taken to bring out the festive spirit during the elections. After months of preparedness and meticulous planning, finally, the election day arrived on June 1st, 2024. Across Punjab, millions of voters queued up to exercise their democratic right. Polling stations were abuzz with activity, from bustling urban hubs to tranquil rural outposts. Special provisions ensured that elderly and persons with disability could vote with dignity and ease.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रिक्वायरमेंट हैगी है राइट एज ए वैटरन बहुत अच्छा लग्या कि एटलीस्ट एक सिटीजन ਦੇ ਨਾਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਵੇ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਇੱਕ ਤਾਕਤ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ.
The Lok Sabha elections of 2024 in Punjab was more than a political event. It was a celebration of democracy. From the election officials to political candidates to voters, every stakeholder played a crucial role towards ensuring peaceful conduct of elections while making it transparent and inclusive.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं आई है, कोई लड़ाई नहीं, कोई रफड़ा नहीं, अपने बूथ पे बहुत बढ़िया अच्छी तरह से इलेक्शन हो जाए.
As we reflect on this success, we look forward to a future built on the strong foundation of active civic participation and robust democratic values.
बहुत खुशी नाल मैं दस सकती हूँ थानू कि मैं अपनी वोट पोल करती है.
हाँ जी, यहाँ का सिस्टम देखिए आपको लाइफ का फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस था कि इतनी बढ़िया यहाँ पे सिस्टम बना रखा है.
I have casted their vote. The arrangements are very good. Staff is very courteous and well behaved.
मैं पहली बार वोट पाई है तो मैंने वोट पा के बहुत ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ.
ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਕ ਵੋਟ ਪਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਹੱਕ ਅਦਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਮ ਸੀ.
ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਵੋਟ ਪਾਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਵਾਰੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਵੋਟ ਪਾਉਣ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਸਨ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਬੂਟਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ.
ਮੈਂ ਗੋਗੀ ਦੇਵਾ ਜੀ ਵਿਸ਼ਵ ਸੂਫੀ ਸੰਤ ਸਮਾਜ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਗਿਣਤ ਸਮਾਜ ਦੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੀਮਤੀ ਵੋਟ ਛੇਤੀ ਜਾਓ ਔਰ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੀਮਤੀ ਵੋਟ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਆਓ.
As the sun sets on another successful elections, Punjab stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of democracy. With hopes high and hearts united, we march forward, together into a brighter future.
मैं दौरे खजाने मटावन ਨੂੰ ਆਇਆ ਮੈਂ ਉਲਫਤ ਦੇ ਪਿਆਲੇ ਕਲਾਮਨ ਨੂੰ ਆਇਆ ਇਹਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਆਪਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਲਾਵਨ ਨੂੰ ਆਇਆ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਵੋਟ ਦਾ ਅਧਿਕਾਰ
ਤਾਂ